In this segment, I will be introducing some of 𝐸𝐸L's best-selling products. These products are part of 𝐸𝐸L's space-saving solutions and come with lifetime warranty. Our best-seller includes Aversa Italian Series 304 stainless steel soft closing hinges, 𝐸𝐸L Colapati SUS316 dish tray and cast connector, 𝐸𝐸L Vincenzo Narrow Black Series double wall soft closing system, 𝐸𝐸L Costanzo top stay lift-up system, and SUS304 stainless steel basket series. Firstly, our Aversa Italian Series stainless steel soft closing hinge. This is 𝐸𝐸L's SUS304 stainless steel hinge, where we were the first in the market to research, develop, manufacture, and supply this highest premium grade hinge in Singapore. This hinge is made up of 32 stainless steel parts including its screws. We developed the grade 304 stainless steel to prevent hinges and screws from rusting. Most importantly, we are giving lifetime warranty rust coverage for this stainless steel hinge. The next product developed by 𝐸𝐸L is the new stainless steel SUS316 dish rack, a highly resistant and premium grade stainless steel in the market. We developed 6 sizes for this prestige model, for 500mm cabinet with all the way to 1000mm, compared to our SUS304 grade, which has only 3 sizes: 560, 760, and 860. Moving on, the 𝐸𝐸L Vincenzo Narrow Black Series double wall soft closing system, a heavy-duty double wall system, available in different heights: 88, 126, and 172. Weight load in 40 and 60 kg. Narrow color as in the dark grey to match our series of accessories. Also available in new flat design, adding a more elegant touch to the series. We created the 𝐸𝐸L Costanzo Top Stay Lift-Up System Narrow Black cover through extensive research and development. In comparison to traditional hydraulic gas spring, this lift-up system is able to stop at desired angles with a soft closing function. We have 2 variants for the Costanzo lift-up series: medium duty, heavy duty. As for the heavy duty variant, door weight supported is 5 to 12 kg. For the medium duty variant, door weight supported is 3 to 5 kg. Last but not least, our SUS304 stainless steel basket series. Through extensive products design, 𝐸𝐸L is proud to introduce the SUS304 stainless steel series baskets instead of chrome baskets. We now have multiple sauce rack, lift basket, and dish organizer, all made of stainless steel. Product information is once again readily available on our website.
Shop now at 𝐸𝐸LHW.com.sg, a Singapore brand.